Hello and welcome to my channel SQL Info. In this video we are going to learn about what is SQL and what are the software and tools used for database connectivity. So basically SQL is known as structured query language, and it uses different queries to insert, update, delete and create a data. In the past times, we used a hard form such as notebooks to note our data. We use in the accountant fields we use such means such as notebooks or all the other stuff like that, such as draft, to note down our data. So that mean of data was an insecure form, and the concept of normalization was on its peak that time. So, looking forward, the scientists kept down to make the changes towards the database. So they introduce a concept of database through which you can save a data, you can organize your data in well form, in a well manner. So there are two things. You must have a tool to execute MySQL. So you have to download a server which is referred as XAMPP. When you write XAMPP, and it is a server that is introduced by Apache. So in XAMPP we could find XAMPP is also used for PHP. It is also used for SQL. Both it is used for both. So when you visit the website, then you will get these options: XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS X. So if you are a Windows user, you can go with Windows. If you are a Linux user, you can go with Linux, and if you are a Mac user, you can go with OS X. So the next tool you have to download and install. Only you have to install XAMPP. So after installing XAMPP, I have already installed it. But before moving towards the video, it's a humble request to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon if you want to enjoy all the videos regarding SQL, MySQL. So you must subscribe to my channel. So I am opening the XAMPP. So after installation, every time you turn up the system, you have to start Apache and MySQL. Okay, got it. So I have kept the port that is named as localhost. You after installation, there's an option you can either go with creating you can either set localhost as your port, or you can either set a predefined port. That is 8080 as a port. But in my case, I have taken localhost. So whenever I visited localhost slash php my admin. So if you have, by default it is localhost. So after installation of XAMPP, you just have to visit this one, localhost, and you have to click new. After clicking new, this is the interface that is look like for using XAMPP. So you can see that first of all you have to create a database. So you have to click here. Before moving towards the database, I just want to tell you something, and just a kind of informative thing, that is SQL server. By clicking here you can get the server information. I have clicked here and all server information is defined here. So it is examining their server is this one, server type is this one, this and this. So further in this video we just want to create a database. So I will click here on a new. So I should write the database name, practice as database name, and I will create. After clicking create, the database has been created, and as you can see on the left side where all the rest of the database are located, practice. and here from here you have to start your work, and you have to create a table. So I am going to create a table, and I will keep my its name in my first table. Okay, so my first table is a table name, and it consists of 4 columns. Okay, I am good with it. I will say that this is okay. I'm happy with it, and the table has been created with 4 columns. That is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's all from this video. It was just an introductory video. I can't execute a query in this video because first you have to download the tools, and you have to understand the initial concept of MySQL. And in the next video we will cover all the basics, insertion technique with the help of SQL query, and also with the help of direct method. So hope you will like this video, and please do subscribe my channel, and because in the future we will work on a very special techniques on SQL. All the SQL info you will get from my channel. So do subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video, and do post your comment. Thank you.